What is the rule of thirds, and how do we use it? What is the rule of thirds? The rule of thirds is the simplest of the framing techniques to get better composition in your shots. If you divide the frame with 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines, you end up with 9 boxes. Most cameras make it easy to put these on your LCD screen by clicking a button. The basic theory is that you align the main elements of your picture or video on 2 vertical lines, or where the lines intersect with the horizontal lines. You'll end up with a much more pleasing image this way. How do we use the rule of thirds? If I were to take this wide shot of my actor standing in the middle of the frame, the shot looks plain and boring. But if I were to take and frame my actor on the vertical line opposite of where she is looking, the shot looks much better, and her eyes are more drawn to the actor. Normally, you want to frame your subject on the opposite vertical line from the side they are looking towards. This is called looking space. You use looking space to create the feeling that your subject is looking towards something or someone out of the frame. If I remove the shot so my actor was on the left vertical line but remains looking the same way, it starts to feel like the subject is trapped. You can do this sometimes, but normally I wouldn't recommend it unless you actually really know what you're doing. Another important part of using the rule of thirds is to frame the point of interest at the place where the vertical lines intersect with the horizontal lines. If I take this shot of my actor and the point of interest is her face, then I might want to reframe to get her eyes along the intersecting lines in the top third. In general, you want the eyes to fall on or near the intersection between the vertical and horizontal lines. The rule of thirds plays a very big role in landscape shots. If the horizon is near the center of the frame, it looks flat and boring. But if I take this beach picture and move it so that the horizon is aligned on the lower vertical line, I have a much more appealing image. It works the same if I frame it along the top vertical line. So, there you have it, the rule of thirds in 2 minutes. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe. We make new filmmaking and photography videos every Monday.